Hey lovers, I'm back again with another video. How are you all doing? My name is Lillian and call me Lily because sure, why not? Hey, if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscription button if you have not. Turn on the bell notification, put it on the undersys or how are you all doing? Today is the 25th of September to be precise, and I am going for an event that I was invited for. I met a lady here on YouTube who used to leave me beautiful comments, and then from there we clicked so good, and then from there we moved to Facebook, from Facebook to WhatsApp, from WhatsApp now we're about to meet in real life, in person, like one-on-one finally. So I'm going to be meeting Sissy. Sissy is, I don't know, she's a global citizen. Permit me to say that my own definition of global citizen is someone that is a citizen of the world, like she belongs everywhere in the world. Sissy was born in the UK, raised in the US. Her family, her mother and father, originally from the Caribbeans, and then she is currently living in Egypt, but she's in Ghana right now. So what do you call that kind of person? Is he not a global citizen? So it happens that today is also global citizen event in Accra, Ghana. You see, so Sissy had invited me earlier, even before I heard about the global citizen program in Accra, which I was also invited by Blue Beatrice, who gave me a free ticket, but I couldn't make it because I did not want to disappoint this woman. Okay, I did not want to disappoint Sissy. Sissy wants us to meet for a lot of things, and I want to see her so we can talk about it. Right now, where she asked me to meet her is a place located at Nongwa in Tema. So that is where I'm heading to, because it's going to be so expensive. Even though she said she was going to pay for my Uber, when I checked the Uber from my house, it was almost 200 cedis. What is it? I carry picking. So because of that, I just said, okay, why not? I just got to the bus stop close to my house, used the bus to get to Accra. From Accra, I ordered it. It became a lot cheaper. And so here I am, finally at the place that Sissy had told me to meet her. On getting here, she was not here yet, but I met another of her friend and partner. So here I am. They have an event, okay. See, when it comes to is it religion or religious issues, I am a bit careful. I need to know what I'm getting myself into. Sissy had want to introduce something, her faith to me. Don't worry, before I put this here, she already gave me the go ahead to talk about it, okay? All right. I protect my friends a lot, but when they give me go ahead to talk about issues that concerns them, I do it without thinking twice. So Sissy invited me for a program. She calls it, they call it International Day of Living Together. Okay, that's why I'm here. I want to see what her religion is all about. Okay, I've asked a lot of questions and I wanted to see everything to myself. First, this beautiful environment here was where I met her. She asked me to come. So finally, before we get proper into the event, I am meeting Sissy for the very first time, and I must tell you that this woman is sweet. She handed me a package all the way from Egypt, Cairo. She gifted me something that I'm going to show you guys here in this video. So, I said I was coming for an event, but I'm not going to bring that part, right? So, I'm just going to, right? Okay, so before we start the event that my beautiful sister here invited me for, we are here just having a chat, getting to know each other deeper than just, going on YouTube. But she gifted the kids this. Oh my God. Guys, let me check it out. Since I can open it.
Oh, sure.
What is it? I'm acting like I haven't seen it. Actually, I've seen it, but I want you guys to see. This is a microphone. Yo, oh my God, where is it dropping? Thank you. Yeah, she got me a microphone.
and she got me a chapter from her country. Where's your country? She's not originally from Egypt, but she have a story, about Egypt. She got so much love for Egypt and Egyptians. I like to break rules. Close your eyes. These are for wedding. Oh my God, this is so cute. What do you think? She's gonna love them. Thank you so much, sis. Once she put her legs in,
did she not take them off, right? I can see when you're doing that.
Thank you so much. Oh my God, I love them. I know I could act like I have not seen what is here, but my conscience will judge me if I act like, oh my God, what is here? Oh, so I've seen it, but I want you guys to see. So look at this necklace here. So when you see me slaying, don't get angry, okay? Don't say, oh, Lily hit a jackpot. It wasn't
she got
okay.
Now she's doing. Oh, that looks so lovely.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
So like Nubian,
yeah.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So
very nice.
This is me. Can you say thank you to her down there in the comment section? How am I going to pass the thank you to you?
I found my lovely sister, Lily.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
thank you.
Yes.
I said she came all the way from the UK to look for me. I mean, well, from the US, right?
UK, US. She was Lily's asking me where am I from. I said, look, born in the UK, lived in the US, parents are from Barbados. Now my home is Egypt.
So where are you from? Finally, let's do this.
We're everywhere.
Oh my God, so nice to meet you. Thank you so
too.
much. So the event is going to start anytime from now. I may not contribute with you guys, to it because I like to respect privacies of other people who may not want to be on camera, So you guys, hold on, don't go nowhere because I got more to bring. Maybe more to bring or maybe not. But in any case, you're going to hear from me later, okay? Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Sis, what do you have to say? Do you have a YouTube channel?
I started one, yes. It's just very in the beginning stage. I only have 1 or 2 videos on there, but I'm going to
Okay,
create
please.
content.
When I say something, it's
Yes.
different from when the source says it.
Yes.
How did we meet?
How did I what?
How did we meet? How did you?
Oh,
how
we
did
met because I saw lovely Lily on YouTube and I knew right away. I told her how amazing she is and she's fantastic. She's looking at me like I'm crazy. No, you're amazing. You're doing amazing things.
Am I?
Yes.
No, but like sometimes I kind of just do things anyhow to annoy.
And I love it.
To annoy
I love
my
the
subscribers.
authenticity. You're so real. And
Even
that's what I like.
when I fight with people.
Yes, okay.
Aww.
That's you. Sometimes I think, Lily, leave it alone. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay. So my channel is Life on the Continent. So you won't see much on there right now.
Okay.
But I'm building the content.
Okay.
And so join the journey with me.
Okay.
And, but Lily and I are going to be doing some things while I'm here in Ghana. And so you'll see that. Right?
How do you find Ghana?
I love Ghana. It's 1 year ago I was here. And yes, and I've had my experiences we shared.
Yeah.
And so we'll share
home to my country. My country.
Yeah, I said this is her home. Nigeria's her birthplace, but Ghana's her home.
Yeah, she said that off camera,
Yes.
and thank you so much, sis.
Yeah, so people don't get it wrong. Don't get it
She's
wrong. Ghana
Ghanaian
is her home.
Yeah, you know that. Hear that. Thank you so much. I have to put my stuffs back.
Yes,
so
yes,
have
yes,
them.
yes.
Finally met Cece and she is so beautiful, smiling all the time, and that is one thing I envied about her. And she told me you can achieve this if you want to. Focus your energy on what matters, Lily, and forget about things that don't add value to your life. Don't worry about what people are saying about you. That's actually Toko. I was just trying to imitate the accent because he got it. So the event has started, and these are partners, or Sissy, please correct me. I know you'll be watching this video. I met a lot of people there that I really clicked with, but one thing I'm yet to be sure if I'm going to be part of is this, because I don't understand it. I don't understand it. I was born a Christian. Yeah. So when I meet a new religion or belief, I don't embrace it like that at all. I do not intend to leave Christendom for any other religion, but I'm very open-minded. I will respect, I will tolerate, I will celebrate, but my own, the one that me I understand as my own way of contacting God Almighty, is through Jesus Christ, and that is Christendom, and that is what I intend to stick to. So, but why not? They are doing things that are not harmful, things good for the environment. I participate too. They are planting trees here. I also joined. They thought about peace. They were all their emphasis was mainly on peace, which is a good thing. Yeah. But when I want to pray to God, I'm still gonna use Jesus as my tools to reach him, because that's how I understand it. But Sisi is doing so good, and a lot of people came from far and near to attend this. They are not camera shy, they are all brilliant people, well connected. Oh my god, I met somebody here. I met a doctor whom we clicked so good, and we went home together. She drove me all the way from here to almost my house. So she drove me down to Wicca. Man, that's a lot. So yeah, I met a lot of people. The organization, it involves a lot of people. They are friendly, they are open-minded. Yeah, I like what they do, according to what I could see. But I am not sure about this, because I love my Jesus so much, and I intend to stay like that, okay? But I like what they do. I like the fact that everything they do here is eco-friendly. The food, they don't use things that are harmful to the environment. They are very, very kind to the environment. They protect the head. They do things nicely to one another. They are always eager to help one another. Sisi got you, man. She's always there. In the middle of the night, you want to talk to someone, Sisi is available. She is so committed into this humanitarian service. It's good. But me, when it comes to religious issue, I am not a big fan. I don't know how to embrace and let go my own. They didn't ask me to let go of my own, actually. Nobody asked me to forsake being a Christian or not go to church, but it's just something that, yeah, I'm their friend. You know, when you have a friend of a friend, like a religion, this is a practice of my friend and not mine, because for now I'm good where I am. But I like the fact that Sisi smiles a lot and let go of things that are not adding up to her life, and you can see how slim fit she's looking. She's so beautiful. I can't remember how many times we actually hugged each other before the end of this program. So what we're hearing now,
So we thought of being friendly, you know, to the environment, so
My
not doing
mom can
paper
be
plates or
loud.
plastic
I don't know.
plates.
Why can't I
So we
do
thought of
that?
doing the leaves, and you
Okay, it's
can.
not to do. What is in there is I think is what is it? Okay, let me open it so that you guys can see the content of what is
Yes.
in this.
Oh, wow.
Banana leaf. No, this cocoyam. No, cocoa. Is it banana leaf? Hold on. Yeah, in these leaves that we use to tie mai in Nigeria. In Ghana here too, people use it to wrap a lot of things. Like they use it to wrap food. I love to eat my wachi wrapped in these leaves. You get it? It has a good scent. It adds some flavor to the food. So Sisi does not want plastic. She does not want anything harmful to the environment, according to her. So is a sausage roll in there, or how do you call this, donuts? That is what we got in here, which I had some and then couldn't finish. Yeah, that is how we ended here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.